Tonight's program's called Canadians Welcome and Trust Support. So I think it was Monday at noon. We came up with the idea that the Canadians needed their own tab inside the classroom. So Tammy made that happen. Before I even sent her the email, I guess she watches the show, which is also encouraging.
No, it was what? It was before it? What?
Yeah. By the time I looked at it and I was like, "Ooh, I got to send Tammy that message." I look and it was like, "Great idea, Tim." And here's the link, and I was like, "Oh, okay."
I mean,
So
Tammy might be the greatest individual in my life, quite
absolutely.
possibly. I mean, I'm not ruling that out really because she's just amazing, and
She
I
is.
couldn't do this work without her. And we, it's just really took our time and chose, who, and this is what
Mhm.
we're going to be doing, and trained her, watch these 1 billion videos. And then, and here she is, like, really have done all the work and watches over everybody and everything and watches the show. I mean, she's amazing.
Yeah.
It really is true. And that's your frontline help here at Liberty Aid Academy. She's like secretly in the background, knows everything. It's great. Oh, that's wonderful to hear. She's
It's
fabulous.
good to have someone like Tammy, but yeah, it's in there. And then, hey, I went to take a look and of course name the show this. And then our friend Jamie commented on inside the classroom that I should show this off. So let me throw this up there.